Hey guys, so today I'll be capturing the motor sound of the waterspin and duinrell. The pneumatic switches. Oh, see the pneumatic pump for the thingies. For those things have turned off. The holders. And there's that big girthy motor. Oh. See, it's spinning, it's spinning, it's spinning. Oh wow, it's really spinning. Oh wow. Also there, all the pneumatic switches on those wheel thingies. Come on, stop it. And that make it can go, stay in position like now. And, oh. Listen to those motor sounds. I'll be loose like now. Wow. Did you hear those motor sounds? There's some sick motor sounds. Oh man, that motor's ruining it. All those people are gonna scream and it's gonna ruin it. Dang it. Oh man. Oh wait, we can still hear it. We can still hear it. That's okay. Wow. Oh. Oh, now the pneumatic switch is closed and now it's stuck again. Or not stuck. Well, not stuck in a bad way, but like stuck that it can't move. Now it's loose again. Now stuck. Loose, maybe. Stuck. Loose. I don't know anymore. Oh guys, those were some pretty sick motor sounds, alright? And also the old thing is being taken down. The old roller coaster, this one was built in 1985, which is really long ago, but now it's being taken down for a better version. Oh wow. So that is the one that we keep coming across, and that motor keeps spoiling the other motor noises, is the dragonfly. So okay, alright.